Greetings, smart bro. We're going to be looking at how we can pin this Microsoft Word document right here in this taskbar. But this itself, this computer right here is Windows 11. Normally, how you do things on the Windows 10, slight difference from that of the Windows 11. So I'm going to pin this Microsoft Word document to the taskbar. First, I want to come right here to the startup menu. Definitely, if you notice the startup menu, right here, so we have more. So when you click on more, so this is if it's a Microsoft Word, I'm going to right click. Now when you right click, you notice right here, it's a pin to taskbar. And definitely, come like that. There you go. If you notice it, right here to the taskbar. So that's exactly how you actually pin a Microsoft Word document right to your taskbar, right on this Windows 11. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.